Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm up with another video in which I'll be showing you how to make an invisible increase. Now, I know most of you might be knowing how to make an invisible decrease, and you might also think if you really need this invisible increase technique, but as you can see that whenever we work two stitches in one of the stitch, it stretches so much that it creates a hole like this. Now if you're like me, you might want to avoid this as well, so I've come up with a technique in which you can work two stitches in the same stitch and still it won't stretch this much. So basically this is to make your work flawless and more beautiful. So without wasting any further time, let's go right into the video. Also, everything that I'm using in the video is linked in the description box below. You can go check it out. So here I've already made a row of double crochets, and now in the next stitch we're going to make two double crochets in the same stitch. For that, you see there's a V here. We're gonna yarn over and insert a hook only in the front loop of our stitch like this, and we're going to make a double crochet only in the front loop of the stitch. So we'll insert a hook, yarn over, pull through, now pull through two loops and pull through the remaining two loops. So we have made one double crochet only in the front loop. Now we're going to make one double crochet only in the back loop of the stitch. So we insert a hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through, and we're going to pull through two loops and pull through the remaining two loops as well. So you see we made two stitches in the same stitch, and even with two stitches in the same stitch we are not getting that hole because the stitch is not stretched that much. And now we're going to make one double crochet in each stitch for the rest of this row. So here you can see I've completed my row, and you can barely tell that I've increased in this row. So if you see closely, you can see that I've made two stitches in the same stitch, but it's barely visible. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!